How are you?
Hi, mom. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So, Sanskar, I would like to know how was the journey from Taxila to Asian Paints?
Yeah, so if I talk about the journey, it was quite a roller coaster type of journey. Actually, in the starting, I was very tensed because I have seen students from across India, and they were like everybody had some hidden talent which was visible here, and I was very conscious that whether I'll be able to compete with them or not. But after spending some time here, I get to learn many things from these friends, as well as if I talk about faculties, they were quite supportive. Like if I had any type of problem or something, personal attention was given to me at that specific point of time. And if I talk about my Asian Paints, then it was of 4 rounds. So the first round started from aptitude test, and after that it was a group discussion in which there was like pool campus placement where so many colleges were there. After that we had first round of personal interview, which was basically HR round. And after that HR round, we had a regional manager round, which was after some time, and it was from the region of middle, which consists of Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh. And if I talk about after getting placed in Asian Paints, it was like quite a few learning, if I say.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sanskar.
Thank you, ma'am.